Use an air compressor. An air compressor is one of the many tools found in a household garage. It is a durable and handy tool that has a variety of uses such as inflating tires and airbeds, airbrush painting, powering up nail guns and staplers, and a whole lot more. Using an air compressor is actually easy and it can be fun as well. Be sure to familiarize yourself about the different parts of an air compressor, especially when you are using it for the first time, to avoid confusion and errors during operation. The tank pressure gauge measures the level of air pressure in your compressor tank. The air pressure regulator regulates the pressure being pumped into the air tools or accessory. The regulated pressure gauge indicates air pressure release or output. Safety relief valve releases air pressure when the maximum required pressure is exceeded. Here are some important tips on the proper way of using an air compressor. Prepare the compressor. Turn the power switch to the off position by turning the switch clockwise. Connect the hose to the compressor's air line outlet. Then attach the air tool or the specific accessory depending on the purpose to which you intend to use your compressor. It may be a tire inflator, a pressure gauge, or a blowgun, to name a few. Plug in the air compressor. Turn the power switch on and set the working pressure of your air tool or accessory, then plug your compressor to an electrical outlet. The compressor will then pump air into the tank. You need not worry about leaking or too much air pressure. The air compressor automatically shuts off after it has reached the preset pressure. Once it shuts off, it will now be ready to use. Pump air. Press the trigger of your air tool to release air pressure into your tire, or the object that you need to use the compressor for. Do not release the trigger to allow the compressed air to continuously flow through the object. Refill if necessary. There might be cases when the compressed air blown into the deflated object is inadequate. You may refill the air compressor by letting it sit and not use it for a while until the charging noise, which is indicative that it is getting more air, stops, or it automatically shuts off. After refilling, you may attach the air tool again and continue with your work. You can recharge or refill your compressor as many times as needed. Shut it down after use. Turn the power switch off and unplug the air compressor. Reduce or empty the pressure left in the compressor by releasing the safety relief valve. You can also use an air compressor for cleaning purposes, such as blowing off dust that has accumulated in your air conditioning systems, refrigerators, and electric fans. Make sure that you have read the manual on how to properly operate, clean, and lubricate your air compressor to keep it durable and useful for a long period of time.